Are you looking for the best legal ways to make money online? Well, keep watching. I'm going to show you some easy and safe ways to start earning money from the comfort of your own home. You might not have heard of at least one or two of these. Now, this video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So listen, making money online is a goal for many people, okay, including myself here, making this video. But it's hard to know where to start. And with so many options out there, you may feel overwhelmed or unsure about which ones are truly safe and legal. But don't worry, I got you covered with some of the best legal ways to make money online. So here are five, okay? 5 great ways to earn money from home. Now you got freelance writing, okay? If you love to write, these websites that, there are websites that pay for articles, for blog posts and more. There's online surveys. Many companies pay you to share your opinions on products or services. You got selling handmade goods. Now, if you're crafty, you can sell your own creations on websites like Etsy. You got tutoring, which offers, you can offer your tutoring sessions to students who need help with subjects that you're good at. And there's affiliate marketing, which, you promote products online, you earn money when people buy them through your link. Now, these are just a few great ways to make money legally and safe online. So start today, begin your journey towards earning from home. And if you like these suggestions, leave me a like. I love you.